Good evening. Welcome to Rocket Chicken. What will you like to order? I want fried chicken and a glass of orange juice. Would you like to add a side dish? Maybe fried potatoes or fresh vegetables? I'll take fresh vegetables. Thank you. Okay. This is fried chicken, white vegetable, and a glass of orange juice. Is there anything else to add? I have some salad. Of course, I'll bring it right away. And you will like some soy sauce and ketchup. Yes, I have some chili sauce and ketchup. Of course, I'll bring it right away. Enjoy! Can I help you with anything else? Yes, I'd rather have a glass of water. Okay, I'll bring it right away. Excuse me, I have the bill? Of course, the total you have to pay is 17,500 rupiah. Thank you. Here's the money. Keep the change. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your evening.